Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by evening the canvas, cleanse the lid, and press an oil control primer into the skin. Next, pick a neutral base that's within about 5% of your skin tone. This neutralizes veins and redness so pigments read true. Apply that base in thin layers and gently set it with a dusting of translucent powder. This creates slip for later colors and prevents patchiness. Once done, make sure you've blurred edges. Soft transition lines now save blending headaches later. Now you correct and build. Lay a corrective tint precisely where discoloration shows, peach or orange over blue veins, muted yellow over purple. Apply with a small, dense brush. Then, build your eyeshadow in thin, controlled layers. 2 to 3 light passes lets you monitor saturation and keeps the lid from creasing. Use a clean, fluffy brush to blend the edges in smooth 16:9 style sweeps. This maintains shape while softening harsh lines. Make sure to finish by sealing the work. Mist a setting spray close to the face, then press a light translucent powder into areas prone to creasing, like the inner fold and outer corner. Add a tiny highlight to the inner corner and brow bone to bring balance and dimension. If you see patchiness, don't scrub. Reapply a very thin base layer and rebuild the color in light passes. This preserves texture and prevents cakiness. Finally, blend once more and inspect in natural light to confirm evenness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.